If you've ever struggled with stubborn weeds, sick plants, or the overwhelming number of gardening hacks out there, you're in for a treat today. In this video, we're diving into one of the most versatile, affordable, and natural ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen: vinegar. That's right, vinegar isn't just for cleaning or cooking. It's a hidden gem when it comes to gardening, and today I'm going to show you 7 genius ways you can use it to make your garden thrive. From getting rid of weeds without harsh chemicals to boosting your plant's growth and even protecting them from pests, vinegar has your back. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these simple, natural solutions are easy to implement and will make your gardening life so much easier. So grab a bottle of vinegar and let's get started. You'll be amazed at what this humble kitchen staple can do for your garden. 1. Weed killer. The vinegar that gets the job done. Do you struggle with weeds invading your garden and lawn? Well, vinegar is here to help. A simple mixture of white vinegar and a small amount of dish soap is the perfect solution for killing those pesky weeds without using harsh chemicals. It's a completely natural way to tackle those unwelcome invaders. All you need is a spray bottle. Fill it up with 1 part vinegar and just 1 teaspoon of dish soap, and you're all set. The reason this works so well is that the vinegar dries out the weeds, causing them to wither and die. The dish soap acts as a surfactant, helping the mixture stick to the leaves, which increases its effectiveness. It's perfect for removing weeds in driveways, patios, or garden beds, especially those stubborn annual weeds that keep coming back. Whether it's a sunny day or a cloudy afternoon, the solution works by dehydrating the plant from the inside out. The great part about using vinegar is that it's quick, easy, and requires no harmful chemicals, making it an eco-friendly option for controlling weeds. However, there's one thing you need to keep in mind. Vinegar doesn't know the difference between your cherished plants and the weeds. It will target anything it touches, so you need to be cautious when applying it. Be sure not to spray it on plants you want to keep. If you want to be extra careful, you can shield your plants with a piece of cardboard or use a small brush to apply the solution directly to the weeds, keeping it away from the surrounding garden. This vinegar solution works best when applied on a dry, sunny day, as the sunlight helps the solution to dry faster and penetrate deeper into the weeds. You can use it on driveways, garden beds, between patio stones, and even along fence lines where weeds tend to pop up unexpectedly. It's especially effective for tough weeds like dandelions and crabgrass, which tend to be more persistent. So next time you see weeds popping up in those hard-to-reach areas, reach for the vinegar instead of chemical herbicides. It's a natural, effective, and safe way to keep your garden looking neat and your plants thriving. 2. Make your flowers bloom brighter. Want your flowers to pop with color? Vinegar can help with that too. Adding vinegar to your watering routine can slightly acidify the soil, which is perfect for plants like azaleas, hydrangeas, and camellias that thrive in acidic conditions. Many gardeners struggle with getting those vibrant blooms on their flowers, and vinegar can be the solution that makes all the difference. To make your flowers thrive, simply dilute about 1 cup of vinegar in 1 gallon of water. Stir it well to ensure that the vinegar is fully incorporated into the water. Once it's mixed, pour the solution directly at the base of your flowers once a month. The acidity of the vinegar will help to lower the pH of the soil, creating an environment where these acid-loving plants can absorb nutrients more efficiently. This in turn helps the plants to produce brighter, more vibrant blooms and stronger foliage. The acid in the vinegar helps plants like azaleas, hydrangeas, and camellias to absorb important nutrients like iron, magnesium, and potassium, which are essential for healthy growth and colorful flowers. These plants naturally thrive in acidic soils, and the addition of vinegar can replicate the conditions they'd find in their native environments. You'll notice that their flowers become more intense in color, whether it's the deep blues of hydrangeas or the bright reds and pinks of azaleas. This simple vinegar solution not only boosts your flowers' color, but also improves their overall health. By applying it once a month, you'll create an optimal environment that encourages strong root systems and enhanced flowering. The plants will be able to absorb nutrients more effectively, leading to healthier, more beautiful blooms throughout the growing season. It's a simple trick that doesn't require any expensive fertilizers or complicated procedures. Plus, it's a completely natural way to support your garden and give your flowers the best chance to shine. For those looking to make their flowers stand out and get the most vibrant results, vinegar is your new best friend. So if you've been struggling to get your hydrangeas to turn blue or your azaleas to bloom in their full glory, try adding vinegar to your watering routine. With this simple addition, you'll be amazed at how much brighter and healthier your flowers can become. Give it a try and watch your garden bloom like never before. 3. DIY plant fertilizer. Using vinegar. A lot of gardeners ask the same question: can vinegar actually be used as a fertilizer? The answer is yes. When used correctly and diluted properly, vinegar can be a helpful, natural soil booster for certain plants. Vinegar works by gently adjusting soil conditions, making key nutrients easier for plants to absorb. This is especially beneficial for acid-loving plants such as blueberries, tomatoes, and many flowering varieties. Instead of relying on synthetic fertilizers, vinegar offers a simple and natural way to support healthy growth. Making your own vinegar-based plant feed couldn't be easier. Just mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar with 1 gallon of water. This mild solution helps break down organic matter in the soil, allowing essential nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium to become more available to plant roots. These nutrients play a major role in strong growth, vibrant foliage, flower development, and fruit production. For plants that prefer slightly acidic soil, this mixture helps create the ideal growing environment. Over time, regular use can lead to healthier plants with stronger stems, improved flowering, and better yields. To apply, simply water the soil around the base of each plant. Never pour it directly on the leaves. Used occasionally, this natural fertilizer supports your garden without overwhelming it. You'll also enjoy the peace of mind that comes with using an eco-friendly, affordable solution that's easy to mix and safe for the environment. 4. Natural insect and pest deterrent. Every gardener knows the frustration of dealing with pests. Ants marching through flower beds, mosquitoes ruining time outdoors, or fruit flies invading your home can quickly turn gardening into a headache. Thankfully, vinegar offers a powerful natural solution for keeping these pests under control. For ants, vinegar is incredibly effective. Simply pour or spray vinegar along ant trails, entry points, or around garden borders. The strong scent destroys their scent trails, confusing them and forcing them to retreat almost immediately. Fruit flies are another common problem, and vinegar works perfectly here too. Apple cider vinegar attracts them naturally. To trap them, place a small bowl of apple cider vinegar in the affected area and add a drop of dish soap. The soap breaks the surface tension, causing the flies to sink once they land. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap, poke a few small holes, and let the trap do the work. The flies will get in but won't be able to escape. Vinegar can also help repel mosquitoes. These pests strongly dislike its smell. By mixing vinegar with water and spraying it around patios, seating areas, or garden edges, you can reduce mosquito activity without using chemical sprays. Some people even lightly apply diluted vinegar to exposed skin as a natural mosquito deterrent while spending time outdoors. Using vinegar to manage pests is not only effective, it's also inexpensive, environmentally friendly, and free from harsh toxins. Whether you're dealing with ants, fruit flies, mosquitoes, or other common insects, vinegar provides a safe and natural alternative to chemical pesticides, helping you protect both your garden and your home. 5. Clean your garden. Tools over time, your garden tools can accumulate rust, grime, dirt, and sap, which not only make them look old and worn, but can also affect their performance. If you don't clean your tools regularly, they may even start to rust or become clogged with plant debris, ultimately making your gardening tasks more difficult. Fortunately, vinegar is an excellent natural solution for cleaning and restoring your garden gear. It's a powerful, non-toxic cleaner that works wonders on all kinds of garden tools. If your tools have started to rust, don't panic. Simply soak them in white vinegar overnight. The acetic acid in the vinegar will break down the rust and corrosion, making it easy to scrub off the next morning. This method works best for tools with a heavy buildup of rust. After soaking, use a wire brush or steel wool to remove the remaining rust, and your tools will be good as new. For smaller jobs, or if you're just dealing with dirt and sap, you can mix 1 part vinegar with 1 part water and use a rag or sponge to wipe down the surfaces of your tools. This solution will clean away dirt, sticky sap, and even mineral deposits, leaving your tools looking polished and ready to use. Regular cleaning not only extends the life of your tools, but also helps ensure that they perform at their best, preventing damage to your plants from dull or rusted blades. Keep your garden tools in top shape with Vinegar. It's the perfect, affordable cleaner for keeping everything running smoothly. 6. Boost your compost pile. If you're into composting, you'll be happy to know that Vinegar can help your compost pile break down organic matter faster and more efficiently. Composting relies on the right balance of moisture, air, and acidity, and Vinegar can help regulate these factors, speeding up the decomposition process. The mild acidity in Vinegar helps to maintain the optimal pH balance in your compost, ensuring that bacteria and microorganisms can do their job effectively. To use Vinegar in your compost pile, simply sprinkle a small amount, about a couple of tablespoons, over the pile once a week. The vinegar helps to accelerate the breakdown of organic materials like leaves, food scraps, and yard waste, turning them into rich, nutrient-dense compost in less time. Additionally, vinegar helps reduce odors that can sometimes plague composting, especially if the pile gets too wet or if there's too much nitrogen-rich material. The natural acidity helps balance the moisture level and keeps your compost pile from becoming too smelly, making it more pleasant to maintain. Regularly adding vinegar will ensure that your compost pile stays healthy and is breaking down at the ideal rate, so you can enjoy high-quality, well-decomposed compost for your garden sooner. Plus, with faster decomposition, you'll be able to add nutrients to your soil more frequently, improving your garden's overall health. 7. Prevent fungal infections. One of the most common and frustrating problems that gardeners face is fungal infections on their plants. Diseases like powdery mildew, blight, rust, and other fungal issues can quickly spread and damage your plants, leaving them weak and unsightly. These infections thrive in humid conditions and can take over your garden if not treated early. Luckily, vinegar can be a natural remedy to help prevent and even treat fungal infections, saving your plants from further damage. To use vinegar for fungal prevention, mix 1 tablespoon of vinegar with 1 quart of water. This solution creates a mildly acidic environment that disrupts the growth of fungus on plants. Simply spray the solution directly onto affected plants, focusing on the leaves, stems, and areas where you notice fungal growth. It's especially effective when applied at the first signs of infection, such as powdery mildew or rust spots. The acidity of the vinegar interferes with the fungus's ability to spread and grow, helping to keep your plants healthy and disease-free. Regularly spraying your plants with this solution, especially in areas prone to fungal issues, can help prevent infections from taking hold, keeping your garden flourishing throughout the growing season. Using vinegar as a preventative measure not only helps protect your plants, but also reduces the need for harsh chemical fungicides, which can harm the environment and beneficial insects. It's a simple, safe, and effective way to maintain a healthy garden without relying on toxic substances. Keep an eye on your plants, and take action early by spraying this natural vinegar solution to prevent the spread of fungal diseases and ensure a vibrant, thriving garden all season long.